Imagine a car that's compact, fierce, and built to dominate, where every line screams power and every growl of its V8 makes your heart skip a beat. This is the 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS, a muscle car legend that doesn't just turn heads, it stops time. Stay with me, because what you're about to see is raw American muscle like you've never experienced before. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today we're diving into one of the most iconic muscle machines of the early 70s, the 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS. And trust me, this isn't just any Nova. This is a statement, a high-octane, heart-pounding embodiment of American performance, style, and raw power that has captured the hearts of collectors, restorers, and gearheads around the globe. Now, imagine walking into a world where every line, every curve, and every chrome accent is a nod to perfection. That's what the 1971 Nova SS delivers. Compact, aggressive, and unapologetically muscular, it represents the era when Chevrolet truly understood the art of the muscle car, and when you slide into its cockpit, you're not just driving, you're experiencing a living, breathing legend. Let's start with the exterior. The 1971 Nova SS wears its performance pedigree with undeniable confidence. Its sharp, clean lines are paired with a wide stance and flared fenders that hint at the brute power hiding under the hood. The front end? Pure attitude. A bold grille flanked by dual headlights that command attention on the street. Add the signature SS badging, and you've got a car that doesn't just show up, it announces itself. From the chrome bumpers that glint in the sunlight to the polished trim running along its body, every detail has been meticulously crafted to evoke a sense of strength and sophistication. And the paint, the paint, whether it's Raleigh green, Cortez silver, or a deep, lustrous black, each finish is more than color. It's a canvas that reflects the Nova's essence. Sleek, powerful, and timeless. Step inside and the experience only intensifies. The interior of the 1971 Nova SS is designed for the driver who craves connection to the machine. Every surface, from the padded dash to the classic SS steering wheel, has a tactile quality that invites you to touch, to engage, to feel the car alive beneath your hands. Bucket seats cradle you in perfect alignment with the shifter, while chrome accents catch the light at every angle. The instrumentation is straightforward, yet purposeful. Tachometer, speedometer, and fuel gauge all instantly readable, letting you know exactly what your heart and the engine are doing at all times. Speaking of the engine, this is where the 1971 Nova SS truly separates itself from the crowd. While the Nova came in various configurations, the SS models offered a range of potent V8 options that have made this car a legend in the muscle car world. From the small block 350 V8 producing a symphony of power to the monstrous 396 big block capable of delivering an adrenaline-pumping 375 horsepower, each engine was a testament to Chevrolet's engineering excellence. And let's not forget the sound, the low growl of the exhaust, the growl of raw American muscle that makes your pulse race before you even touch the accelerator. Performance wasn't just about straight line speed. The Nova SS was nimble, precise, and ready for the curves. With suspension upgrades, performance tires, and optional manual transmissions, this compact powerhouse could dominate both the strip and the back roads. It was a car designed to reward skillful driving, making each turn, each shift, and each press of the accelerator an intimate dance between man and machine. But the Nova SS isn't just about performance, it's a statement of luxury within a muscle car framework. Chevrolet understood that real enthusiasts demanded not only power but refinement. That's why even the most track-focused SS models offered creature comforts like optional air conditioning, AM/FM radios, and high-quality interior finishes. Every detail, from the door panels to the dash trim, whispers subtle luxury while keeping the focus firmly on the thrill of driving. Let's pause for a moment and talk about legacy. The 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS has become more than a car. It's a symbol of an era when American automakers dared to combine performance, style, and accessibility in one perfectly proportioned package. Collectors today prize these machines not only for their rarity, but for the visceral connection they offer. Restored examples command attention at shows, auctions, and private collections, and each one tells a story of craftsmanship, passion, and the pursuit of automotive excellence. And here's the thing. thing, the Nova SS has aged like fine wine. While many muscle cars of the early 70s have become relics of nostalgia, the 1971 Nova SS continues to thrill drivers and collectors alike. Its proportions, its lines, its roar, they remain as striking today as they did 5 decades ago. Driving one is an experience that transcends time. You feel the heritage of Chevrolet's muscle car era coursing through your veins with every turn of the wheel. Restoration culture has embraced this model with open arms. The most exquisite restorations go far beyond simply bringing a car back to factory condition. They elevate it: high gloss paint, meticulously rebuilt engines, modernized suspension, and precision detailing, all combine to create machines worthy of the term rolling art. And for collectors who truly want the ultimate experience, restomods can integrate modern amenities, air conditioning, upgraded brakes, and refined interiors without ever sacrificing the classic soul of the Nova SS. But what truly sets the 1971 Nova SS apart is its ability to inspire emotion. It's not just a car, it's a thrill, a memory maker, a centerpiece of automotive storytelling. Every time you walk past one, there's an undeniable aura. Its stance commands respect. Its presence ignites passion. And when you hear that engine fire up, there's no denying it. This is a car that makes you feel alive. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a casual enthusiast, the 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS invites you to witness a perfect fusion of muscle, style, and luxury. From its iconic exterior to its driver-focused interior, from the thunderous V8 to its nimble handling, it remains one of the most celebrated examples of American automotive ingenuity. And in a world where many cars have come and gone, the Nova SS stands tall, timeless, unyielding, and breathtaking in every sense of the word. So what does it mean to own or even just experience a 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS? It means embracing a legacy of power, precision, and prestige. It means taking part in a tradition that spans decades, connecting past, present, and future in every rev, every shift, every mile. And it means knowing that when you're behind the wheel, you're not just driving, you're commanding one of the most iconic muscle cars ever built. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more ultra-luxury automotive content, and ring the bell so you never miss a moment of automotive excellence. And as always, keep chasing the thrill, the beauty, and the pure, unfiltered power that only a true muscle car can deliver. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your eyes on the horizon.